Hello everyone, I am Saloni. I hope that you all are very elated by the grace of Almighty in your life. After a long time, I thought to restart my activity as keyword. So today I have brought one of my students who is going to ask me the questions that he has. So if you want to watch this video until the end, so please stay connected. Let's get started. Hi Riaz, how are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. What's
So
about you?
yeah, I'm too good. Thanks for asking.
I have some questions for you. Can I ask?
Obviously, you can ask.
So, what is your hometown?
My hometown is Sasaram. The ancient name of Sasaram is Sahasram. It is a historical hometown.
So, in which state your hometown located?
It is located in Rohtas district and Bihar. Bihar is my state.
So, where you are currently staying?
Currently, I'm staying in Maharashtra, Pune.
So, is there any reason to travel from Bihar to Maharashtra?
No, there was no any reason. Just casually, I came to Maharashtra as my bua, means my father's sister, visited the hometown. So that time I simply qualified my 12th. So I got the admission in the, you can say, BCom,
Yes.
BCom first year. So I completed it. So after that, she told that instead of staying at home, why don't you come with me? You will go to the Pune, you will search a job, and you just try to get the experience. So I came here on the recommendation of her.
So, how do you feel here?
Yeah, the environment is really amazing along with the people's behavior and mindset. I found a lot of things which is really good. Like the peoples, they really behave nicely, and one thing that attracted me a lot, that the Maharashtrians people, they give the priority of girls a lot. That I really like. Means there is no any kind of the pressure from their parents for their daughters for anything. Whatever they want to do, even parents support. Means they don't have the conservative mindset like my state people they have. So this is one of the things that attracted me a lot.
So, how much time you spent in Maharashtra?
It's going to be 2 years.
In this 2 year, you visited any historical place or
Yeah,
any forts?
recently I have visited with my students along with friends to the particular place that was Lohgad and Kamset. So as they told me, Lohgad is a historical place that had been owned by the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and the environment, the places which were too amazing, that inspired a lot. Means when we entered in that fort, I saw different things. The, you can say, building, the fort which was constructed by the people earlier, the design was really amazing. Even means that time there was no any technology. Even those kind of the people were too, you can say, talented, that made such kind of the design for the fort. And earlier how it looked when it was constructed. So this thing I really liked.
So, you have any questions for me?
Obviously, I have a bunch of questions. If you permit me, then definitely I would ask.
Yes, you can.
Okay. So, as you visited your hometown, what experience that you have gotten by visiting?
I have visited my hometown because of some reasons, and I enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed the nature. I visited many places in my hometown, such as we go in the different ghats, such as Karanji Ghat, etc. Before 1 to 2 weeks, because of because of heavy rainfall, there uh, on that road they get full of waters. I mean, because of the floods, they get full of water. So there are many damaged homes because of the water, and in many places or in many areas there are waters. So I see that's all.
Okay. So as your experience was good, but due to heavy rainfall, it was not as you anticipated to be. Okay. So tell me one thing. Okay. Just for an example, if you have been all alone, there is none in this world. Everybody has left you. You have become homeless. There is even no home, no shelter. This, what would be the first step, and how would you treat yourself? Because that time it would be the quite pathetic moment.
So if if this happens in future, then firstly I give priority for food. I I try to I try to make food for I try to make fruits and water for shelter for living. And after that, I
Mhm.
I think understand what can
No,
you
no, no.
repeat it
You
again?
are good. Going good.
In this world only I can survive. None is there.
No, no. Your surrounding people are not there. Means your relative, your own family. Everybody has left you alone. Yes, the rest of the peoples are there except your acquaintance. Acquaintance means Jan Pahchan wala.
So if there is no acquaintance or relatives needs me or with me, so firstly I give priority to myself, and I try to stay alone. I try my best for achieving my goals
Okay.
and uh, achieving my goals, and I
Mhm. Okay. So yeah, that is literally commendable answer that you have given. Means first priority will be go for the food, because for a couple of days, for a couple of months, for a couple of years, you have to live, and for living a life, you can survive anywhere. You can sleep anywhere. That's no any big deal. But for food, food should be given the most priority. If there is no food in your body will be not powerful. And once it has no energy, you can't do any work. So when you have the food, you will get all the nutrition that will give you energy to work and to think. And when you have the energy, somehow you will find a job,
mm,
and then after you will find a place to stay. Whoever have left you means that's their they did it. But as you have to leave, you have some certain goals to achieve, then definitely you have to do something for survival. That is good questions, I like it. Okay, apart from this, what is the best thing that has happened to you this week?
in this weeks the best thing happened that I go to my parents' uncle's homes or to my grandpa and grandmother. So I enjoyed a lot after meeting him because they supported me all the time. So
Okay.
in previous week I very enjoyed very much. Love this. I love to stay with my grandpa and grandma.
Okay, that's really amazing. Thank you so much for your beautiful and informative questions that you brought for me to ask. And you also gave the answers in the correct way. I really salute the way you answered. Yes, you answer logically. That is really amazing. Yeah, simply I'm giving you the feedback.